So this is the next gen home within a home. Has a full refrigerator, nice deep sink, dark cabinets, wine already poured. In your sitting area, sit there and watch TV. Then when mom or dad gets ready to shower, they have their own shower. They don't have to share yours. They have their own entrance that goes outside. They can sneak in and out in the middle of the night and you'll never know it. And then they have their bedroom and their own closet, of course. This one has a great view outside. So let's go and see what upstairs looks like. So we walk upstairs. There's a nice play area. Got the popcorn ready for movie night. And we have another bathroom. Another bedroom. And the A-Star's room. And he has his own nice large bathroom. Yep, so this is the kitchen with granite. Very nice. If you're looking for one, let me know. Get my coffee here. And Alexa everywhere. Let me see. She said Alexa would close the blinds in the living room. Let's see. Alexa, blinds down. She didn't find it. All right.